We'll rationalize the denominator of the radical expression, the square root of 2x over y. Now, when I rationalize the denominator, what I want to do is to rewrite this expression without a square root in the denominator. So I need to multiply this radicand, 2x over y, by something that gives me a perfect square in the denominator. And I see that if I had one more factor of y, I would have y squared, which is a perfect square. So I'm going to multiply by 1 in the form of y over y so that I'll have y squared in the denominator. And when I carry out this multiplication, I have the square root of 2xy over y squared. And the quotient rule for radicals tells me that I can write this as a quotient of square roots. I can write it as the square root of 2xy over the square root of y squared. I can't simplify the square root of 2xy, but the square root of y squared is y. So this is the form of this expression with the denominator rationalized.